Cindy Shaw, when did you fall in love with hip hop?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shala. I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial, hair video. I've not done one of these before, but yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this low sleek ponytail. I did a side parting, so I'm going to show you how I did this on my thick 4C hair, and yeah, it's gonna be a talk through, so I thought I'd just intro this video first before I get started. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting off this tutorial with my hair freshly washed. That's why it's really wet, and I've detangled it. I'm going to be using a Denman brush, a small rat tail comb and a big rat tail comb, my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, and the Blue Magic Originals super short grow cream hair and scalp conditioner. This is amazing. So I'm starting off by just parting my hair. So I'm parting it right down the middle. Parting really helps when you're dealing with thick 4C hair like mine, because doing it all in one go is just not gonna happen. So first off, I part it down the middle, and then cream your scalp, guys, cream your scalp. So I'm just creaming my scalp, and then I'm gonna part it again, so basically into 4 sections, and also cream my scalp, because sis, you don't want no dry scalp. So yeah, I'm parting this as well, and then just drying myself off because the hair was just dripping everywhere. So then, as well as just creaming my scalp, I'm also just gonna put a bit of cream, the Blue Magic cream, on the ends of my hair, just because they can get quite dry and I don't want that to be dry. And then I'm going to part my hair again in a lot smaller sections. So basically we're going to be working in sections in order to slick our hair back nice and good. So I'll just get a little small section, and then I apply the leave-in conditioner by Cantu, and you can put quite a lot on. How much I put just depends really. So we just want to moisturize our hair really, and then I also add the Blue Magic cream on top of that. I feel like this combination works quite well for me. I don't get that much flaking towards the end, and then I just brush it out with the Denman brush. Brushing it out also helps to detangle the hair, and then I just twist that section of hair, basically like a twist out essentially. It helps to stretch out the hair. So I first started out this method when I had a really short 4C hair, and I could just about get it into a low pony. Very difficult. So I've been using this technique ever since, because it just works for me. So I continue this on more sections of hair. If you've got quite short hair, I'd say work in a lot smaller sections than I am, but as I can actually put my hair in a low pony quite easily now, I can work in larger sections. So just putting the Cantu leave-in conditioner, then putting the Blue Magic cream, and then brushing it out with the Denman brush, then twisting it into a twist. So I'm just going to do that for the whole head. And yeah, I'll just show you guys.
When it comes to me, skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So once half of my head is done, you can see it's done here. I'm just gonna move on and do the other half off camera because it can take a while. So after I've done both sides of my head and just twisted them all out, as you can see here, I'm just gonna leave it for a while, maybe like about a couple hours. But yeah, anyway.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna be using the Eco Styler. This is the Argan Oil one, and the Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel. I'm starting off by just sectioning again my hair. I'm just moving the twists out of my way. So I'm going to start at the back of the head. But essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unraveling the twists at the back, brushing it out with the Denman brush, and then applying Eco Styler mainly towards the roots. So you don't really need it towards the ends because that's not what you're gelling. So mainly towards the roots where I need to gel. I'm working in sort of a larger section, so I'm taking more than one section at a time. But if your hair is quite short, I'd say we'll just work with those sections that you created. So then after twisting it out, brushing it with the Denman brush, applying the gel, I'm going to go in with like a hard bristle brush, medium hard bristle brush. Soft is not going to do anything. Medium brush probably best. Bristle brush. And I'm just going to lay the hair down. So really try and lay that hair down after I've applied the gel. And then I put it in a ponytail. So what I do essentially, I work through the sections, put it in a ponytail. With shorter hair, I will use more than one hairband when making the ponytail, so just adding a ponytail to the ponytail and then using another hairband. But with what I did, I took out the ponytail that I'd made and took out the hairband and just used the same hairband. But as you'll see when I get towards the top, I use a new hairband, so I use about 2 hairbands. I'm just gonna work in sections towards the top of the head before I get to the area where my parting will be.
Cut me up some.
So as I move towards the front of the hair, I start working in a lot smaller sections because the hair doesn't reach the back of the head as easier. So I use a lot smaller sections and a lot more gel. So a lot of Eco Styler gel, and then right at the front I will use the Got To Be styling gel as well because this has a really good hold. So when I'm doing the front as well, you can see here that I'm adding a new hairband. So this is not the previous hairband that I was using before. So I used 2 hairbands in total. And then when you're near the part that you want, so usually I do a middle part, but I decided to switch it up today and do a side part. So I'm doing a side part, never done a side part before. Don't know why I decided to do it on video, but yeah. So create your parting. I struggled a little bit. I had to do a bit off camera. Once you get your parting, it's time to gel this baby down. So unlike with the back of the hair, I'm going to apply the gel very rigorously, yeah, that word, to my hair, and I'm going to apply it all the way to the ends because this section is not really going to reach the back of my head. So the gel is the only thing keeping it down, so we need a lot of her. So you can watch me struggle to do that.
Cut me up some.
Then I'm just going to use my smaller edge brush to just create the wave effect that I want at the front of the hair. Do my baby hairs, give them swoops, you know, them swoops that look cute and stuff, and do my sidebands as well. So I'm just using this small edge brush and also using the Got To Be gel. My edges, I don't know about anybody else, but mine are stubborn. Like, sometimes they just don't like to go in places. As you can see, I'm struggling here to do my sideburns, but yeah, I'm just gonna do this, and then we're essentially like basically done.
Yo, chill. Cut me up some.
So now I'm just going to wrap my hair. So I actually used 3 hair ties for this, so I leave that for a while. Probably overnight is best. Sometimes I do overnight, but just for a few hours, and then this is the final result.
When it comes to me, Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.